send us an appreciation letter for all the Peace Corps volunteers. And I will read this out. So I'm going to read this out. So this says, all distinguished former Peace Corps volunteers to Nepal. On the happy occasion of 50th anniversary of the Peace Corps, on behalf of the Embassy of Nepal, as well as on my own, I would like to express my sincere thanks and profound appreciation to all the distinguished former Peace Corps volunteers. Your valuable services to Nepal have not only contributed significantly in the socio-economic development of the country, but also in the strengthening the ties of friendship between the people of Nepal and the United States. We are trying to reinstate Peace Corps program in Nepal and working to strengthen the bilateral relationship between Nepal and the United States. You are true friends of Nepal, and your contribution towards achieving these goals will be highly appreciated. This is from the First Secretary, Anand Sharma.
Very nice.
So again, just to conclude the evening, thank you so much for coming, and thank you to the Peace Corps volunteers. Okay. The meeting is adjourned.
You may now freely move around the room.